Hey guys, welcome to Hair by Shonda TV, and today I will be demonstrating a lace frontal sew-in. This is my lovely client Tiara. Tiara's been coming to me for about over 10 years now. So we're just gonna jump right into braiding her hair straight to the back. I'm only giving her a few braids. Her hair is pretty thin, so I don't want to put too much stress on her hair, so she's getting big braids. So now I just kind of group the braids together at the end, and I'm going to sew them up one or two braids and start to line her up, clean out all that mess in the back. Now I'm proceeding to sew the nylon cap down from ear to ear, enough room to provide coverage for the frontal. Now I know a lot of people like to use just the spray, but I use both. I use the gel and the spray. I don't know, it's like insurance. You never know. I don't want nothing rolling back on me. So after applying the gel and the spray, I sat her under the dryer for about 15 minutes or until it was dry. And I'm gonna proceed to cut off the excess nylon cap behind what I sewed down from ear to ear. Alright, so now that I have the cap all cut out around her hairline, I'm going to apply this liquid matte foundation. I like to use liquid because powder just flies everywhere. I don't want any dust particles of powder in her frontal. So I'm going to clean up the edges with this alcohol, get all the makeup and the grease and the oil off of her skin so that when I apply the glue, everything will stick just perfectly. So what I'm applying the glue with is a relaxer. It's not really a brush, but it's a smoother. But I like it because it helps me to make everything even and thin. I don't want any clumps or anything like that, so it smooths everything on perfectly fine for me. And this is my first layer. I always add 2 layers just for extra hold. All right, now so the glue is pretty much clear and I am doing the fun part, applying this lace frontal. So I use a comb to comb through and smooth everything out. I don't cut off the lace until after it's applied because whatever's going to stick is going to stay. Whatever's loose, I cut it off. Because when I noticed when I used to cut the lace first, it was so messy. The glue was getting on my fingers, and then the glue on my fingers would get stuck to the hair, and you know, this is just a much cleaner application for me. I'm going to apply this rapid strip to lock everything down and make everything nice and solid so that it sticks evenly. And I'm going to proceed to sew down the back of the frontal. Very important that you pull and tug those back corners of the tabs. See where my left hand is? Pull that very tight so that there's no wrinkles in your frontal. You know, everything is flat to the head. And you sew it all the way down to where I cut it. And that'll make everything lay super flat. So we're reusing some bundles that she used from previous sewing. So the pieces are already pre-cut, so this went pretty fast.
I'm definitely ready to come roll.
All right, now that we got it all locked down and laced up and all that good stuff, I'm getting ready to curl it and make her look absolutely fabulous. right now, we're all done. Gave her 5 big curls, and now she on top of the world. Looking nice and fabulous, girl. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. God bless and have a good day.